Okay, welcome. Box breaks by the Hoop Doctor. Break number 2 of the night. We have a Prizm Draft Picks Football Cello Pack box, 12 packs. Each one has 15 cards in it, a 12-card pack, and a 3-card red, white, and blue. I've been opening a few of these in some other breaks, and man, I pulled some sweet red, white, and blues. I got a Mac Jones, I believe, last night, so hopefully we'll get some good ones tonight. In the 3-card red, white, and blue packs, usually always one rookie on back, one veteran on top, and then the kicker is going to be that middle card. Do we get a rookie in the middle? And that's what we hope to do. Oh, Jason's wanting some Mafia hits. Man, that'd be cool. That would be cool. I can only imagine. I have pulled autographs out of these cello packs. I think I've pulled, I know one, maybe 2. So that's always going to be an option tonight, and hoping to get a whole bunch of big rookie color cards tonight, and then hopefully some base cards to go with it. And so I love Prizm Draft. I don't have my sheet with me. I tell you what, I'm going to go get my sheet. I really need to have that so I can tell you who everybody goes to, because that's something I do. Before I run and get it, it'll take me about 15 seconds. I will tell you the Ravens, Panthers, Lions, Packers, Texans, and Saints did not sell. And so if you're already in the break, you can have all 6 of them for $10. If you're not in the break and you want to jump in the break, you'd need to add $4 shipping, so $14. So 6 teams for $10. I'm going to get away from the phone. The first person that says sold or I want them, they will get them. I'll be right back so we can get this break going. Okay, I don't see anybody that says sold. AJ's asking what is left. Okay, it's the Ravens, Panthers, Lions, Packers, Texans, Saints. $10 for all 6 of them. And Jody says sold. So Jody gets those 6 teams and we can go to work. I'm going to put my PayPal email address in the comments section if you'll shoot that over. And Jody, I was holding your cards from last night, and you I think you've already paid shipping on the 49ers tonight, and you shouldn't have. So just, if that is true, if you paid shipping on tonight's break with me holding your cards, just send me $6, because I'm going to owe you $4 back anyway. So if that makes sense and sounds good to you, you'll send me $6, and then I won't have to issue you a refund. Okay, I'm ready to roll. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do breaks. I call out every player by name. I show you every card. I'm also going to call out the team. That's why I went and got my little cheat sheet showing who everybody is playing for right now. All cards do ship. All rookies, inserts, parallels, megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded. The cards will be in the mail tomorrow morning. I do have 4 breaks tomorrow night, and the first one is going to be the brand new Chronicles Draft Picks. The auctions for that are live on eBay now. So I just did a Prestige football. Just got it. Did a one-day listing, and I've done a one-day listing for the Chronicles draft. So if Chronicles draft sounds like something you might want to take part in, tomorrow night I have a Chronicles draft break. 4:30 Central Time will be the first auction going off. Then the auction will be at 6 tomorrow night. Also tomorrow night, just to let you know, I may have another football tomorrow night. Let me look. Got Absolute Baseball tomorrow night. After that, then Prizm Basketball, and that's, so I guess that's the only football break tomorrow night, unless I'm missing something. So I thought I had a total of 4 breaks tomorrow night. Maybe not. Oh, maybe I was going to do a baseball mixer. That's what it was. Okay. All right. Well, we're ready to roll with some. Oh no, I've got just a regular 2020 Chronicles football tomorrow night. Okay. So yes, I'm gonna have 4 breaks tomorrow night. The 2 football will be Chronicles draft for 2021. Got it, Jody. And will be Chronicles from 2020. So that's my 2 football breaks tomorrow night. Would love to have you join them if that's something you'd be interested in doing. Okay, here we go. First Cello pack. We got 12 of them. Here's the 12 card pack. It will start with veterans. I will tell you that in the veteran cards, we will go whoever they are playing with in 2021. So, for example, Kenyon Drake has now moved on to the Raiders. They will get his card. If they're retired, like Phillip Rivers just officially announced his retirement, they will go to the team they played the longest with. In his case, it would be the Chargers, not the Colts. Okay, here's Tua to the Dolphins, J.K. Dobbins, Ravens, DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals, Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Speaking of, there's Phillip Rivers to the Chargers and the green veteran, Kirk Cousins to the Vikings, and the green rookie, Chris Evans to the Bengals. Here's Asante Samuel Jr. He is going to the Chargers. Tylan Wallace is going to the Ravens. And there's Jamar Chase, Crusade, Cincinnati Bengals. That's a nice one. Here's Carlos Basham Jr. It's an All-Americans, Buffalo Bills, and Jamie Newman to the Philadelphia Eagles. And that's the way the break starts. We got a top draft pick, Jamar Chase, right off the bat now for red, white, and blue. It's all right, Andrew. I knew something must be up. All right, here's Zeke Elliott to the Cowboys. Red, white, and blue. The second one's not a rookie. Calvin Ridley to the Falcons. The third one will be Sam Emlinger. All right, rookie quarterback going to the Indianapolis Colts. Red, white, and blue. That's how the Cello box break starts. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Kansas City, followed by Jared Stidham to the Patriots. Saquon Barkley to the Giants. Travis Kelce, Kansas City. Josh Allen, Bills. We have a silver veteran, Will Fuller. I believe Will Fuller is going to the Dolphins, but looky here. All-Americans, green, Mac Jones to the Patriots. There's a big one. Here's Joseph Asai. He is going to the Bengals. Micah Parsons, Crusade to the Cowboys. Tyler Vaughn's going to the Colts. Kwity Paye for the Colts. And there you see it. All-Americans, Justin Fields, Chicago Bears. So nice pack there. Got a Justin Fields and Mac Jones. The Mac Jones in green. Really good pack. Now we get to see the red, white, and blue. Looking for a 2 rookie pack. Joe Burrow's on the front. We do have a middle rookie, so that means we'll get 2 red and white rookies here. This one, Trevin Moehrig. Trevin Moehrig is going to the Raiders, and looky who's next, Najee Harris to the Steelers. Yes, Mike, as soon as this break ends, I will go in and send combined shipping invoices on the auctions that just ended. So I'm in the middle of a break now, but I will go in and send you. So don't pay now. If you do pay, if you overpay on shipping, any of y'all, after I print labels, I will refund anything over $4. But as soon as this break is over, I will go in and send invoices. Appreciate you. Here's Antonio Gibson, Washington. Amari Cooper, Dallas. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Ryan Tannehill, Titans. DeAndre Swift to the Lions. Green veteran, Tom Brady. Green to the Buccaneers. There we go. And the rookie green, Patrick Jones II. Minnesota Vikings. Here's Hamilcar Rashad Jr. Jets. Elijah Mitchell. I believe he is going to the 49ers. Rondell Moore Crusade. Rondell Moore Crusade, Arizona Cardinals. And there's Hamilcar Rashad Jr. All-Americans. Okay, so we got twice, 2 of his cards to the Jets in this pack. And the last card in the pack, Mr. Trevor Lawrence going to the Jacksonville Jaguars. All right, we're chalking them up, getting those big rookies. We got a couple in the last pack. Just got maybe the biggest name of all. Now red, white, and blue. Drew Brees to the Saints. Not a rookie here. It's Michael Pittman Jr. to the Colts. And the rookie, Micah Parsons, Dallas Cowboys, red, white, and blue. Like those Jets, maybe we can get you a Kyle Wilson right here in this pack. That'd be really good. Kyle Wilson. Zach Wilson. Let's do Zach Wilson. All right, Cooper Kupp Rams. Teddy Bridgewater, that's to the Broncos. Chenault Jr. Jags. Tua again to Miami. Another J.K. Dobbins to the Ravens. Silver veteran Julian Edelman, Patriots. And should be getting a rookie in color here. It is Mac Jones. My goodness, Patriots. That is your second Mac Jones in color. You have now both Crusade and All-Americans in green. Wow. Here's Seth Williams. Broncos. Patrick Surtain II, Crusade to the Broncos. Devontae Smith, Philadelphia Eagles All-Americans. Jalen Waddle to the Dolphins. And Kylan Hill going to the Packers. That was a pretty good pack right there. You get a first Jalen Waddle, our first Devontae Smith. We get Mac Jones in green for the second time. Red, white, and blue. Chris Godwin Bucks. Rookie card. Okay, we're going to get 2 rookies. This one, Rashad Bateman. All-Americans. Going to the Ravens. And Sage Surratt. And that one's going to the Detroit Lions. So 2 rookies there. Neither one, oh, I just about destroyed everything there. Neither one were the great big ones. Let's hope this pack's going to have them. Still hunting. Zach Wilson and Trey Lance. Here's a DK Metcalf, Seattle. Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. Sam Darnold, Panthers. James Robinson, Jags, silver. Drew Brees. I want to think we got a red, white, and blue Drew Brees earlier. Now we get a silver for the Saints. The rookie green. Wow. Okay. This is sweet. Trevor Lawrence, Crusade in green Prizm. Jacksonville. Here's Javon Holland going to the Dolphins. Jamie Newman, Crusade, Eagles. Trey Sermon to the Niners. Greg Rousseau, Buffalo Bills. And Sean Wade, All-Americans. And that's going to the Ravens. Ooh, green Trevor Lawrence. That'll wake me up. Looking for some Kyle Pitts, Andrew. I know you are. Here's red, white, and blue. Jared Stidham, Patriots. All right, we're going to get 2 rookies here. Oh, wow. Zach Wilson, Crusade, red, white, and blue. New York Jets, big time. A Cello pack is the only place you can get this card right here. Mercy. Hey, Jay's happy now. Hey, looky here. Red, white, and blue Najee Harris to the Steelers. What a 3-card pack that was. All right, this will be the halfway point. The first half has been really good, and we're not even done with it. Adam Thielen, Vikings. Jonathan Taylor to the Colts. Jordan Love, Packers. Nick Chubb, Browns. CeeDee Lamb to the Cowboys. Green veteran, DK Metcalf, Seahawks. And green rookie is Dylan Moses. Dylan Moses going to the Jags. Rookies, Asante Samuel. Chargers. Tylan Wallace. Need to remember these. I'm getting better. This is Ravens. There's another Jamar Chase, Crusade to the Bengals. Another Carlos Basham to the Bills. And Jamie Newman to the Eagles. Our second Jamar Chase for the Bengals tonight. Okay, red, white, and blue. Be just like the last one. J.K. Dobbins, Ravens on top. All right, no second card rookie here. It's DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals. And the rookie, Sage Surratt. I believe that's the Detroit Lions, and it is. Okay, we got color card of Trevor Lawrence, Zach Wilson, 2 Mac Jones in the first half. And that's not even counting the green Tom Brady we got. So let's finish strong. Nick Chubb, Browns. CeeDee Lamb, Dallas. Tom Brady, Bucks. Mike Evans, Bucks. Kirk Cousins to the Vikings. Silver, Myles Garrett to the Browns. Rookie green, Rashad Bateman. Rashad Bateman to the Ravens. Rookie cards, Daz Newsome to the Bears. Kadarius Toney, Crusade to the Giants. Sam Emlinger, Colts. Trevor Moreg to the Raiders, and another Najee Harris. This is an All-Americans for the Steelers. Cam Akers, Rams. We got 2 rookies in this red, white, and blue pack. The second one, woo! Wow. Justin Fields, Crusade, Chicago Bears. So we have Wilson, Lawrence, Fields, 2 Mac Joneses in color. Man, we need Trey Lance, and this will be a break. Mercy. Also an All-Americans of Caleb Farley. I apologize to Caleb Farley for not getting super excited about him like I did Justin Fields, but he's going to the Tennessee Titans. Great start to the back half of the break. All right, we're going to get us a Lance and a Pitts. Y'all been asking for them. I know Jody's a big 49ers fan. We got to get Trey Lance right here. Here's Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Jacob Eason, Colts. James Conner to the Cardinals. Devontae Adams, Packers. There's Patty Mahomes, Kansas City. Green, Keenan Allen to the Chargers. And the green rookie. Oh, wow. Back-to-back packs. We go red, white, and blue, Justin Fields. Now we go green, All-Americans, Justin Fields. Mercy. All right. Hamilcar Richard Jr. To the Jets, Elijah Mitchell, I believe that's the 49ers. Rondell Moore, Crusade, going to the Cardinals. Hamilcar Richard Jr. again, and then Trevor Lawrence. We had the same pack earlier, same run of rookies that ended with Trevor Lawrence on the back. So our third, Trevor Lawrence for the Jags. Jody, I wasn't going to say anything about that. Maybe we can turn it around here at the end. Red, white, and blue time. Allen Robinson, Bears. Non-rookie, Chris Carson, Seahawks. And rookie card, there he is. There's Kyle Pitts. Wow, finally get Kyle Pitts, Andrew. And we get him in red, white, and blue. Chris Carson, Seahawks. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Derek Carr, Raiders. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Cam Newton, Patriots. DeAndre Swift, green. And the rookie silver, Dylan Moses. I think that's our first silver rookie of the night. It is an All-American Dylan Moses going to the Jacksonville Jaguars. All right, Javian Hawkins, Falcons. There's another Devontae Smith. It's a crusade to the Eagles. Rondell Moore. Rondell Moore is going to the Cardinals. Nico Collins. Nico Collins, he's heading to the Texans. And how about an All-Americans, Zach Wilson, to the Jets. Jets, 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 Jets. Good pack there. Come on, these red, white, and blues have been hot for us. See if we can make Trey Lance come out. All right, Josh Allen to the Bills. That's a good one. Oh, we got 2 rookies in this one. We start with, Jamar Chase. red, white, and Jamar Chase back-to-back. I know he comes out back-to-back in the regular packs. He just came out back-to-back, red, white, and blue, Cincinnati Bengals. That was something else right there. Back-to-back. Three packs to go. All we need is a special Trey Lance, and I'm going to put this one in the books as a great break. Jalen Hurts, Eagles. Kareem Hunt, Browns. Cooper Kupp, Rams. Teddy Bridgewater, Broncos. Chenault Jr., Jags, green. Mike Evans to the Bucks, and a silver rookie, Terrence Marshall. So that's back-to-back silver rookies. Terrence Marshall is heading to the Panthers. Jody, look away, because we have another Justin Fields to the Chicago Bears. Crusade, Kyle Pitts. What a pack we have going here to the Falcons, followed by Devontae Smith to the Eagles. Here's Rashad Bateman. Ravens, and Pat Freiermuth, All-Americans to the Steelers. Jody wasn't supposed to be looking when that happened. All right, red, white, and blue. Drew Lock, Broncos. We got two rookies here. Let's do it. Come on, Daz Newsome. I believe Daz Newsome, isn't he Chicago Bears? Yes, he is. And Kadarius Toney, Crusade, New York Giants. Two packs to go. Haven't pulled an autograph yet. Darren Waller, Raiders. Deshaun Watson, Texans. T. Higgins to the Bengals. Ronald Jones, Bucks. Allen Robinson, Bears. Green. Ryan Tannehill to the Titans. And green, Rashad Bateman, All-Americans, Ravens. Rookies, Carlos Basham Jr. to the Bills. Jason Owe heading to the Ravens. Greg Rousseau, Crusade, Buffalo. Rondell Moore, All-Americans, going to the Cardinals. And Mac Jones, New England Patriots. Saquon Barkley, red, white, and blue, Giants. Non-rookie in the card, 2. Travis Kelce, Chiefs, red, white, and blue. And our rookie is Kadarius Toney to the New York Giants. We are down to one pack, Trey Lance. We need you. Jody really needs you. Saquon Barkley, Giants. Travis Kelce, Kansas City. Josh Allen, Bills. Jarvis Landry, Browns. Justin Herbert, Chargers. Green, Brandon Cooks, Texans. And a silver, Jamar Chase. Tell you what, we went forever without getting a silver rookie, and now we've gotten them in 3 of the last 4 packs or something like that. And this is a good one. Jamar Chase. Bengals have had a good night. Rookies, Trey Sermon, Niners. Jalen Waddle, Crusade to Miami. Patrick Surtain, All-Americans to the Broncos. Sean Wade. I want to say Sean Wade is going to the Ravens. And Rakeem Boyd was last with the Lions. That is the 3rd Jamar Chase Prizm of the break. Last pack, red, white, and blue. James Conner to the Cardinals. What's up, Michael? We are going to go rookie to end. Come on, one time. Give him to me. Aziz Alajari. That is the Giants. And a nice Chuba Hubbard. Carolina Panthers. And that's how the break ends. Jody, I do appreciate that. I obviously don't control what's in the packs or boxes, but I do try to present them nicely, pack them nicely, and provide for a family environment type of break. That's what I shoot for. Appreciate all of you. Congratulations on the big hits. We got a red, white, and blue Chuba Hubbard, a Crusade of Jalen Waddle, Mac Jones rookie, Devontae Smith rookie, Kyle Pitts Crusade, Terrence Wallace silver, Devontae Smith Crusade, Dylan Moses All-American Silver, Najee Harris All-Americans, Jamar Chase Crusade, Devontae Smith All-Americans, Jalen Waddle, a red, white, and blue Micah Parsons, a green Tom Brady, a red, white, and blue Sam Emlinger, Crusade of Jamar Chase, and now for the top-loaded silver Crusade Jamar Chase, Justin Fields, red, white, and blue Jamar Chase, ×2, Zach Wilson All-Americans, Kyle Pitts, red, white, and blue, Trevor Lawrence, Justin Fields, green All-American, Justin Fields, red, white, and blue Crusade, red, white, and blue of Najee Harris, and a red, white, and blue Zach Wilson, green Trevor Lawrence, green Mac Jones, Najee Harris, red, white, and blue, Trevor Lawrence base, Mac Jones green, and a Justin Fields All-American. That's some nice cards. Thank y'all so much for taking part in the break. Remember, tomorrow night I got my first 2021 Chronicles draft break. Would love to have you join me. But y'all have a great weekend. I'm ready for mine. I'll see you down the road.